Well, nothing seems to stop the everything rally. Once again, the reflation in trade boomed in the big Federal Reserve meeting week. On Friday, the story was one of cautious optimism for global trade as both Washington and Beijing struck a more constructive tone. Now, President Trump described the call with Xi Jinping as positive and constructive. He added that the progress had been made on several important issues. Now, that shift in rhetoric provided a relief bid across risk assets, even as broader market themes remained volatile. Overall, last week's trading trends offered some interesting pictures after the U.S. Fed cut rates and signaled more to come. Despite all the classic diplomatic talk, markets are still waiting for actual concrete news. Once again, the biggest beneficiary was gold, with the precious metal hitting fresh record highs repeatedly. Analysts now bet gold to hit a new high of $4,000 soon. It turns out the Sell America and swirling in markets earlier this year was misplaced. Now, the real mantra from global investors is more like hedge America. That is keep snapping up U.S. stocks and bonds, but do so while buying derivatives that protect against any declines in the dollar. Cryptocurrencies got slammed last week. Bitcoin fell 1%, seemingly from profit-taking as nothing shocking appeared. Moving on to Asia-Pacific stock markets, India and Japan led the region in gains. India's story is more compelling narrative. The country's stocks have been the worst performing among emerging market peers this year. But that trend is starting to reverse. Chinese stocks took a hit despite a $240 billion rally in its tech stocks. Aussie stocks also closed the week lower. In the Americas, Wall Street stocks hit fresh record highs in a $15 trillion rally since April lows. The S&P 500 topped 6,660 Friday, with tech stocks leading the charge. Bullish sentiment prevailed on prospects for more rate cuts, which bolstered the outlook for corporate earnings. Rate cut at a time when the economy is still growing sent a constructive signal for risk takers on Friday. Trading volume spiked on Wall Street to mark the third busiest day since 2008. Canadian and Brazilian stocks rallied as well.